Welcome! Today I'm going to show you how to take a screenshot on your DELL Latitude 5420 laptop. So in order to take a screenshot, you'll have to use either a combination of Windows Shift S keys or use a single print screen button over here. But if it doesn't work by itself, that means that your function keys are blocked, and you can either use FN button together with print screen button to take a screenshot, or you can just unlock your function keys by pressing FN together with escape, and then just use print screen button by itself. And after you press one of these buttons, you'll see a screen like that, where you will normally be able to snip out a rectangular form of your screen, which will be automatically copied to a clipboard and saved to your files, and you'll be able to access it by going into File Explorer, then going to Pictures, Screenshots, and here we go. Here is our screenshot. But if you want to pick a different option of taking a screenshot, you'll have to press one of the buttons I mentioned before again, then go right here and select the option that you like the most. For example, if you press full screen, it will automatically take a full screen screenshot and will also save it into your folder. Or you can pick a window option, then just select a window that you want to take a screenshot of, and it will be screenshotted by itself. You can also use a Freeform option in order to take a screenshot of any shape that you like this. And just like before, it's automatically saved right here. And basically that's all the options that you have. And thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below,